In this video, I'm going to show you how we can compute hash of a Windows file. So first of all, this is a folder that is shared, and here I have made a document. So you know that hashing is used to verify the integrity of a file. So in PowerShell, we can verify it. It was this command which I am going to show you was launched in Windows 8, and the command is get file hash. So we will first move to the desktop, and then here is a new folder, and in new folder we have this file new text document. So we are going to compute the hash of this file. So use this cmd let's get file hash and then the document name. So the algorithm is in use is SHA-256. SHA is a algorithm, and 256 is the bit. How many bits are used for encryption, and this is the unique identifier, and this is the path. So if for example you want to copy this file from your Windows 10 system, if I browse here the share path, and copy it to my computer. So in Windows 10 also I can use this PowerShell feature as explained that the command was introduced in Windows 8 and it is supported in the Windows 10 and Windows 11. So use this command to type here get file hash. So here you can see that the file hash match from the server. If you can compare here, so you can see that it start from E3B and end at 855. Same is here. So suppose that I have made some changes on the server. Now the file hash has been changed because I have altered the contents of the file. So you can see here. So if you compute the hash again on Windows 10, because we have copied, so this is another file. And again, if you copy this file, the folder here, WordPress, this is a new file. where you can see the changed file hash matches. So this is also in the case of if you are a student and you submit your assignment and someone copy your assignment and submit it to the instructor. So the instructor can verify this by simply querying the hash. So if the hash matches, then he will come to know that this file is copied from someone and marks your both student will be marked as zero. So this is the technology behind this. So this is it from this video. Thanks for watching.